In today's video, I'll teach you how to delete EA account permanently. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link help.ea.com/en/customer-care. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the contact us interface of EA. In order to delete your account, you'll have to contact the EA itself. You'll not be able to do it yourself. So what you have to do is simply contact the EA help and tell them to delete your account. So simply scroll down in this interface. So over here you'll be able to see this question, what kind of issue are you having? So simply click on this field. Now what you have to do is simply type in your issue over here. What you have to do is simply enter delete EA account. Now you can see the results over here. Click on this option, delete EA account. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to see this question, what game is this related to? Simply click on this field. Now type in the game over here. Likewise also type in the platform. Now after you do that, scroll down. You can also describe your issues. So simply click on this field. Now enter that you want to delete your account. You can enter the information according to your choice. Now you can also upload a file if you want. Now after you provide all these informations, click on this option submit that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here it will be submitted. Now after it has been submitted, EA will look into your issue, and if your account can be deleted, EA will delete your account and inform you regarding your account deletion. So like this you'll be able to delete your account. So that is how you delete EA account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.